Today I will show you how to add text over video on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to add the text over video for. Now the most basic way to add the text over video in Final Cut Pro is to go to the far left of the software where you see the icon that says show or hide the titles and generators sidebar. You're going to click on it and you're going to choose the format of the text that you want to add. Now, once you get the text that you want to add, you can either double click or you can drag and paste it on the video. And once you move your cursor to the video, it should show, but by default the text is white. So we're going to go here, we're going to go to the far right of the text inspector right here, and once that opens up, we're going to show for face, and we're going to change the color here to black. And once we close this and we put this here, you can see the text show here. Let's move this. So this is the text. Now if you have another video that you exported and you want to put that video on top of your Final Cut video, and it so happens that that video contains the text, what you're gonna do is, let's delete this text here. I have this video on my desktop and I'm gonna drag it to my project. Now that it's on my project, if I move the cursor here, you can see that this video contains just text at the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this video here, and I'm gonna go to the right sidebar of the editing panel where it says show or hide effects browser. I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna search for Luma Keyer, Lumakeyer. And once I get that effect, I'm gonna drag that effect onto the captions video. Now you see, once I lay it on the captions video, you can see now it's made that video transparent, and under it we have the actual video. So if you can also add text in this with this method also, you can see the text here, and the text changes with the video. Now that's how to add text over video on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.